We often find ourselves needing to project a repeatable or repeating pattern onto a curved surface or even a cylinder, as right here. In Blender, there's a pretty neat way to achieve something similar using an array and a simple deform modifier, but then again, we have to approach this somewhat differently in Plasticity. So to start off, let's select the target face, hit F, and then let's look for unwrap, which is essentially going to create a flattened surface, sort of like a reference surface. Then we can use our pattern right here. I've created this small patch. Let's scale this one down. And then let's use an array. So I think this one should work. I'm going to leave a small gap in the middle. You'll see in a second why. And then from here, I'm going to mirror the entire setup to the other side. And then let's select all our sheets, all our curves. And then we can hit E to extrude, and then all of those will still be selected. And then we can go for Shift and J to fill those gaps. And now with all of our extrusions selected, what we can actually do is, let's deselect the target one, hit F again, go for Deform, hit the unwrapped flattened plane, and then Shift and hit the target plane. And now you can see we've successfully projected all of our elements onto this curved surface, and we have the intended gap right in the center. So from here, what we can do, just as an example, perhaps we should actually first create an offset to create a hollow later on. And then we can, for example, use all of those elements just as a simple Boolean operation, right? Shove those in, and that's why we've created the hollow surface earlier. And then again, this is a great way to approach repeated structures for magazines, for ammunition, for detailing. So if you found any of this helpful, I'm going to demonstrate in another video how to achieve a similar result in Blender. And then again, if you know a better way or another way to approach this, please hit me up in the comments, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.